Hi, I'm Aska. And I'm Devanshi. And this time we are in Maheshwar.
Maheshwar is more than just a peaceful riverside town in the heart of India. With its colorful streets, historic forts, the holy Narmada, ancient ghats and temples, this land of legends and spirituality continues to draw pilgrims, sadhus, and tourists from across the country. Our first stop was the Maheshwar Fort. This fort complex was built by the Holkar Queen Rani Ahilya Bai when she shifted the capital of Malwa from Indore to Maheshwar. The morning at the fort was quiet and uncrowded. That gave us the time to peacefully experience the aarti and soak in the views of the ghats below. The Maheshwar Fort opens into the Narmada, where several beautiful temples and picturesque ghats line the river banks. At the ghats, we paid our reverence to the gods from a distance and decided to spend some time feeding the fishes instead. We walked along the ghats, watching the everyday Maheshwar unfold before our eyes. The town of Maheshwar has been the center for handloom weaving since the 5th century. Do get your hands on some ethereal and vibrant Maheshwari weaves if you happen to visit. The Maheshwar Palace was the residence of Rani Ahilya Bai. It is from here that she carried all her administrative duty. A part of it is still open to visitors, and the rest has been converted into a heritage hotel. We spent about 15 minutes in the palace and were off to our next stop. Situated right at the gate of the fort and owned by the Holkar family, this rustic cafe was on our to-do list. The setting was perfect to take a breather, but the food that was served was well below average. As the afternoon came to an end, we headed back to the ghats to take a sunset boat ride. The boat took us to Sahasradhara, a place where Narmada is said to diverge into 1,000 streams. The hues of the setting sun on the rushing Narmada is a sight that is not to be missed. The ride back to the ghats was definitely the highlight of the day. Before we knew it, the waters turned magical and left us awestruck. We ended our day in Maheshwar, sitting by the Narmada, pleasantly surprised by how quickly the day went by in this incredible town.
Ah! कहाँ लगी तो? Oh, damn. This time we are in Maheshwar. साथ में तो बोलो. साथ में करो. यहाँ पे बहुत लाइट आ रही है. इस तरफ देखोगी तो अंधेरा नहीं होगा.